Hey, tool enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special for you. Milwaukee has just dropped some incredible new tools for 2024, and we're here to give you an exclusive first look. Let's dive in. Number 1. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3-inch Random Orbital Detail Sander, crafted for professional carpenters, remodelers, and contractors. This powerhouse combines unmatched power and efficiency to tackle tough materials while providing delicate, controlled sanding for trim, railings, and refinishing tasks. With over 80% dust collection and ergonomic design, it reaches hard-to-access areas and keeps your workspace clean. The sander's random orbital motion, with a 3/32 inch orbit diameter, ensures a consistent, stain-grade finish. Its variable speed trigger, lock-on button, and 4-speed settings offer ultimate control. Weighing just 2 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue. The adjustable LED light bar illuminates your work area for precision, even in low light. The optional sponge pad contours to complex profiles, and the pad saver extends the backing pad's life. Elevate your craftsmanship with the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Detail Sander, your go-to for professional, high-quality finishes. Number 2. Meet the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8-inch Stubby Impact Wrench, the industry's most compact cordless impact wrench. At just 4.8 inch in length, it allows you to work in tight spaces while delivering the power needed for demanding tasks, boosting your productivity. Its power-state brushless motor provides high torque, offering an industry-leading 250 feet-pounds of breakaway torque, which easily removes even the most stubborn bolts and fasteners. Equipped with RedLink tool technology, this impact wrench ensures optimal performance and protection. The 4-mode drive control gives you unmatched precision and control across various fastening applications. Modes 1 to 3 offer the exact amount of control you need for any job, while the auto shut-off mode in the 4th setting prevents over-fastening during reassembly. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8-inch Stubby Impact Wrench is your go-to tool for power, control, and efficiency in any tight space. Number 3. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7.25-inch Circular Saw Kit, designed for professional carpenters, remodelers, and contractors who demand high-performing and durable tools. This saw leverages cutting-edge cordless technology to deliver class-leading performance, empowering you to tackle demanding applications with ease. Its power-state brushless motor delivers 6,000 RPM, maintaining high-speed underload for maximum efficiency on tough jobs. With the latest RedLink Plus electronics, this saw ensures maximum performance while protecting against overload, overheating, and overdischarge. Paired with the M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery, it offers up to 750 cuts per charge and is compatible with all M18 Red Lithium batteries. Its ergonomic, compact, and lightweight design is ideal for all-day cutting, featuring positive bevel and depth detents for added productivity and reduced downtime. The saw also includes an electric blade brake, LED work light, rafter hook, and all magnesium guards and shoes, providing durability for the toughest job site conditions. Elevate your productivity with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7.25-inch Circular Saw Kit, the perfect tool for professionals who need reliability and performance. Number 4. Meet the Milwaukee MX Fuel High-Cycle Concrete Vibrator Kit, delivering the most powerful and consistent consolidation for your concrete jobs. The power-state brushless motor provides the strength to push up to a 2.25-inch head at 11,500 VPM, ensuring optimal consolidation even in the stiffest concrete. Powered by the MX Fuel Red Lithium battery pack, this tool eliminates the need for dedicated generators and extension cords, offering the fastest setup and a safer workspace. With a push-button start, you get instant power and reliable performance for every pour. This concrete vibrator consolidates up to 130 yards superscript 3 per charge with a 1.75-inch head and 7-foot whip, and it can handle whips up to 32 feet long without sacrificing power or runtime. The wireless remote allows you to operate the machine from up to 30 feet away, giving you greater freedom when using long whips. RedLink Plus intelligence ensures optimal performance and protects the machine and battery from overload during the toughest applications. Compatible with all MX Fuel Red Lithium batteries, The MX Fuel High Cycle Concrete Vibrator offers the hardest working and most reliable power for your equipment. Additionally, it is One Key compatible, allowing you to track, manage, and secure your equipment from your mobile device or computer using the industry's largest Bluetooth community tracking network. Number 5. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 20-inch dual battery chainsaw kit. Designed to meet the performance, durability, and ergonomic needs of professional chainsaw users. This powerful saw generates 70 cubic centimeters power and delivers faster cutting with reduced stalls, offering a balanced design for enhanced control. Leveraging M18 fuel technology, it achieves a peak power of 5.8 HP, allowing users to tackle demanding applications with ease. The PowerState brushless motor reaches full speed in under 1 second and maintains performance under heavy loads, outperforming gas and high-voltage competitors. The Power Mode Select feature lets users switch between Standard Power Mode, 4.4 HP, for maximum runtime and cooler operation, and Peak Power Mode, 5.8 HP, for maximum power in the toughest applications. RedLink Plus intelligence ensures seamless communication between the saw and batteries, delivering unmatched performance, protection, and productivity. Optimized for use with two Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 batteries, this chainsaw can make up to 60 cuts per charge in 10-inch hardwoods. The saw's balanced design and professional features, including dual metal bucking spikes, high-visibility felling sightlines, a Power Mode Select button, dual captured bar nuts, and onboard scrunch storage, provide ultimate control and convenience in the field. Number 6. Introducing the M12 Heated Toughshell Jacket. Engineered to deliver heat built to outlast. Powered by Milwaukee's new Hexen heat technology, this jacket stays warmer for longer across all temperatures, provides the fastest heat-up time, and offers superior heat coverage throughout the garment. Whether you're braving freezing outdoor conditions or navigating chilly indoor spaces, this jacket adapts to deliver effective warmth in any environment. Featuring 3 times more insulation combined with Hexen heat technology, it maximizes heat retention and enhances comfort. The hidden battery pass-through pocket allows for versatile front or back battery placement, depending on your needs. Crafted from durable 100% stretch polyester fabric with a DWR finish, this Milwaukee jacket is designed to shield you from the elements and keep you comfortable in the toughest conditions. Number 7. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 Battery Pack, Milwaukee's most powerful, fastest charging, and longest-lasting battery. This battery delivers 50% more power than the high-output 12.0 and features high-speed cooling to reduce downtime during high-demand applications. With a supercharged capability that brings the battery to 80% in just 35 minutes, you'll get back to work faster than ever. The M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 is equipped with the CoolCycle Active Cooling System, which enhances cooling efficiency and extends battery life through an upgraded venting design. It works seamlessly with M18 chargers that support CoolCycle capability, such as the M18 Dual Bay Simultaneous Supercharger. This lithium-ion battery offers the longest life and most recharges compared to other red lithium batteries. It features a resistant housing that protects against exposure to oils, greases, and solvents, and built-in RedLink intelligence to guard against overloads, ensuring your tools remain safe in heavy-duty situations. The Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 is compatible with over 250 M18 solutions, making it a versatile and essential addition to your toolkit. Number 8. Introducing the Milwaukee MX Fuel Rocket Dual Power Compact Tower Light. Most power-dense tower light that packs exceptional site lighting into a compact design. Delivering up to 15,000 lumens, this light covers over 2,300 square feet, providing over 5 times the usable lighting of the M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. Designed for maximum portability, it requires 75% less space to store and transport compared to the MX Fuel Rocket Tower Light and Charger. The impact-resistant molded base connects seamlessly with the Milwaukee Packout modular storage system using integrated locking cleats. It features an oversized carry handle and weighs under 50 pounds, with the included MX Fuel Red Lithium XC406 battery. When powered by this battery, the unit runs up to 3 hours on high or up to 10 hours on low, offering powerful lighting without the need for cords or generators. The dual power feature allows for continuous operation when plugged in. The 7-foot folding mast can be quickly deployed, and the light includes 2 deployable outriggers for added stability on uneven terrain. Durable and versatile, it has an IP56 rating for water and dust protection, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The included OneKey Bluetooth card enables connectivity updates over the life of your equipment, and it is fully compatible with the MX fuel equipment system. Number 9. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Overhead Rotary Hammer with Integrated Dust Extraction, a groundbreaking solution designed specifically for ceiling drilling. This innovative 2-in-1 tool combines the rotary hammer and dust extractor into one compact, lightweight unit, offering improved ergonomics for overhead work while ensuring Table 1 compliance. The SDS Plus rotary hammer features a built-in dust extractor that enhances balance and reduces fatigue during repetitive drilling tasks. The newly designed side handle, now positioned near the rear handle, allows for better body posture and can be adjusted to either side of the tool or collapsed for easy storage. Auto Stop Kickback Control enhances safety by preventing over-rotation in case of a bind-up. With OneKey, users can select between default and low sensitivity settings for the auto stop feature, and also benefit from tool tracking and management capabilities. Equipped with a PowerState brushless motor, this rotary hammer delivers fast drilling for small ceiling anchors and can handle up to 5/8-inch holes in concrete with ease. The M18 Fuel Overhead Rotary Hammer with integrated dust extraction ensures simplified dust compliance and superior ergonomics while maintaining top-tier performance. Number 10. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 18-Gauge Compact Brad Nailer, designed to deliver peak productivity and exceptional nailing performance on the job site. Its compact, lightweight, and ergonomic design allows users to access tight spaces with ease, making it ideal for various applications. Powered by a nitrogen air spring mechanism, this brad nailer drives 5/8-inch to 1.5-inch brad nails to the proper depth in both hard and soft materials, leaving clean and consistent nail holes. Weighing just 4.6 pounds. With the M12 Red Lithium 2.0 battery, it is the lightest cordless brad nailer available, providing excellent maneuverability. When paired with an M12 CP 2.0 battery, the nailer delivers over 700 nail fires on a single charge. For extended runtime, it is compatible with all Milwaukee M12 Red Lithium batteries. The M12 Fuel 18-Gauge Compact Brad Nailer offers unmatched performance and convenience, making it a must-have tool for any professional.